Discovering the magic of ordinal numbers in everyday English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the world of ordinal numbers. Specifically, we'll be focusing on the numbers 1st through 10th and, most importantly, how to use them in sentences. So, get ready to master the magic of these little number words. First things first, let's clarify what ordinal numbers are. In English, we have two types of numbers, cardinal and ordinal. Cardinal numbers, 1, 2, 3, etc., indicate quantity, while ordinal numbers, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, etc., tell us about an item's position in a series. The ordinal numbers from 1st to 10th are unique and need to be remembered separately. Let's quickly review them. 1. First, 1st. 2. 2nd, 2nd. 3. 3rd, 3rd. 4. 4th, 4th. 5. 5th, 5th. 6. 6th, 6th. 7. 7th, 7th. 8. 8th, 8th. 9. 9th, 9th. 10. 10th, 10th. Now, we're moving on to the fun part, putting these ordinal numbers to work in sentences. Using ordinal numbers can change the meaning of a sentence, so it's important to get them right. Here are a few examples. She finished first in the race. My birthday is on the 7th of June. He lives on the 10th floor of the building. Notice how these numbers are telling us about positions, the position in a race, a date in a month, and a floor in a building. Of course, the key to mastering these ordinal numbers is practice. Try making your own sentences using ordinal numbers from 1st to 10th. Remember, they're used to talk about positions, not quantities. That's all for today's video on ordinal numbers. Remember, these number words are all about position. Whether it's the date, a race, or a floor in a building, ordinal numbers help you express these details in English. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time. Thanks for joining us, and we hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy learning!